Let me try. Okay, this is the and it will move. Let's have a small diagram like this. So here the ball, the stone, which is there, it is thrown here, and there's a plank. I'll draw small things. Okay, no, this one. So I'm going to project it with a certain speed u at an angle theta. So it has to describe parabolic path. So it is going to describe a parabolic path. So when this same plank is available here, better to draw it. I'll draw it. Okay, here is that particular plank. The plank will continue to move. It is going to move with an horizontal acceleration, which is at a height of 1.25 meter at t equals 0. I think something very essential this is at t equals 0 s. Here the stone will come and strike. This is minimum everyone must develop after reading question. If you are unable to do this, then no teacher in the world is able to help you in this one. But sir, we paid so many lakhs to get this knowledge and you're telling we cannot tell. Tell me, what shall I do now? Sir, how to draw this diagram? After reading question, at least it is moving horizontally. Sir, how come this will not, they should go projectile motion? That's why it is not an object. That's why plank is kept. It will see that this plank will move horizontally. There's a condition given. So now don't bother, sir, how that plank will move. So object is fixed to the plank will move horizontally. So object will not describe, this will not describe any horizontal projectile motion. So there's a condition given. So t equals 0, after some time t, both are here. I think this much is very simplified. And here for our information, what he has given, the angle of striking here, the velocity vector v, it is 45 degrees. I think this is something very important for us. At an angle to the horizontal. Let me put it here. When striking, its velocity vector will make 45 degree with horizontal. So what is the time taken? In what time the stone will take to move from this origin to this particular point? In the same time, the plank will move, the object will move from here to here. So I think here the mass will come into picture, 3 meters. So let me take this is x. And this is the y. And what is y? Y equal to 1.25 meter. So we have so many equations to help us. It's asking that u and theta. So what is the horizontal distance moved by the stone? Just get into, start writing equation. Nothing is there now. X equal to u cos theta into t. Then in that interval of time, how much the distance the plank has moved? I think it has moved this much of distance. X minus 3 with an acceleration. So what we can write here, this is for stone. This for stone. For a plank, what you can write? X minus 3. It will accelerate from rest, no? So a t square by 2. That acceleration we know 1.5. Stone regarding stone we don't know. U we don't know. Theta also we don't know. T also we don't know. So at least we have this much of information. Or okay, let's take help of y. y coordinate. Y is equal to u sine theta t minus gt square. What is y? Y is 1.25. U sine theta t minus 5t square by 2.
Sir, only 5, sir, not 5.
Hmm?
Sir,
Not able to hear you.
sir, there are only 5, sir. 5 to.
You wrote 5 by 2, sir.
Yes, sir. There are only
Okay,
5.
this one. Huh? Okay, this is some numbers we'll give it. We'll see this one. I think some more, one information. What to do with this 45 degrees? Shall we use this one? Yes, horizontal component should remain same. So that I'm going to apply this. U cos theta should be equal to V cos 45. It will strike at an angle 45 degrees. So this is something is what I have information. Start counting unknowns. U, theta, x, t. And again, fresh I brought V. We have to simplify this.
Sir, tan 45 is equals to V by Vx, we can use.
No, that you can apply it.
Then we'll get 3 equation, 3 unknowns.
That also you can do it. So I think that this equation 4 it may not help us. Okay, anyway, you can write it. So you come for this one. This is when it is striking, it will have Vx and Vy. Let's get into this part. Tan 45 degree equal to Vy by Vx. This should be equal to 1. What is Vy? U sine theta minus gt. What is Vx? Vx should be equal to U cos theta. So this U cos theta equal to U sine theta minus gt. I think we can manage now. You can see. This is the equation 5 I'm putting. Equation 3 and 5 are very good, no? Because U and T are unknown things. And substitute 2 in 1, you'll get limit x, then solve it, you'll get the required answer.
Sir, getting imaginary.
Huh? Later on, we can find out like a V, all those things. So I think that this equation may not help us anywhere. Anyway, I just wrote it. I think this is a primary equation. So what you do is like a put equation 1 in 2, then x will get eliminated. Then this is one primary equation will get here. There's a one equation and there's a one equation. Then take this 3t square, eliminate that one here. Then solving
Sir,
will
we
get
are
the
getting
required answer.
imaginary roots, sir. To solve.
Not imaginary, not possible. Check
Sir,
it
root
once.
over 7 by 3, yeah, sir. T.
What happened?
T is root over 7 by 3.
Somebody should give answer. I don't have. Velocity, okay, correct.
Yes, sir.
Velocity you're getting. So this u equal to anybody value of t? Anybody get the value of t?
One minute.
I think equation 5, we can take help of equation 5. Yes, hurry up. Anybody? Value? Time. I'm getting 0.25. Can you do afterwards? I'll go for the next one. It's only calculation part.
Yes, sir.
We'll take the next one.
Sir, it is 1 second.
1 second.